What's up, YouTube? This is Thomas from Thomas Invest and thank you for watching. 2022 didn't have the best start to say the least, but quarterly results can push the stocks up again. We've seen already a few companies that presented great quarterly results and the stock price went up immediately. Examples are Microsoft, Apple, Visa and many more. We also see companies who had a disappointing quarterly result are going down big time, like Netflix for example. In this video, I want to talk about companies that I'm currently watching because of earnings or recent happenings. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get notified when I'm posting a video. I also appreciate an early thumbs up, which helps me within the YouTube algorithm. For now, let's dive into it. First off the list is Microsoft and Sony Stock. When Microsoft announced that they are going to buy Activision Blizzard, Sony Stock went down big time. This all has to do because of the fear that big gaming titles are going to be Xbox exclusive and will not be released for PlayStation. Whether this is true or not, I think it's a really interesting thing. For people who don't know the situation, Microsoft has Xbox and Sony has PlayStation. I'm holding both companies because of several reasons and gaming is one of them. The future will tell us what really is going to happen with these gaming titles. Sony already made a small move with buying Bungie, known for games like Destiny and Halo. But the fact that Microsoft and Sony both do more than gaming comforts me a lot. Microsoft recently presented great quarterly results and in my opinion, with the news of buying Activision Blizzard, it added even more growth to the company. Sony is going to present quarterly results on Wednesday, the 2nd of February. So I'm really looking forward to the quarterly results and also to see how the investors would react on this news. It's really hard to say what will happen, but I think Sony is still undervalued based on the free cash flow growth, revenue growth and the share buybacks. Right now, I think Microsoft is the best buy in this situation, but we will have to wait for the quarterly results of Sony and also what they are going to do with coming months. Are they going to buy a really big fish or focusing on increasing the other segments or maybe do nothing? I think with buying Bungie they made already a first move, but not a big one. All these factors have to be answered before I will decide to buy more Sony stock. Right now I'm on a hold with Sony even while they are undervalued. At these stock prices, I think Microsoft could be a buy based on historical performance and the future growth, but be aware that the valuation of the company might be an issue. The second stock that I want to talk about is Meta, also presenting quarterly results on the 2nd of February. This stock has come down 10% year to date at the time of recording this video. It's really hard to say if Meta is undervalued or overvalued right now. Based on the free cash flow growth, they are overvalued. But the current PE ratio is around 21, meaning they aren't that overvalued based on the PE ratio. Whether or not this company is overvalued, the ticket price has a lot of potential to move up. It seems that Meta is loved by the investors. I have this company on my watchlist for a long time and I'm really looking forward to the quarterly results. When they are presenting some solid growth, I think the stock price will go up easily because they are down 10% year to date. And we saw with Microsoft and Visa what good results can do with the stock price when it has come down recently. On the other hand, when there is some stagnating growth, this company could easily fall in stock price because of all the recent fear in the market. I had this company on my watch list for a long time, and I think it will stay there for now. I will wait to see what the results are going to bring this Wednesday. Next up is Waste Management. Waste Management is one of the first stocks that I owned and so far also one of the better performing ones in terms of stock price. The stock has come down roughly 8.5% year to date at the time of recording this video. Waste Management is one of those companies who doesn't have a lot of growth potential organically in terms of revenue. But they have this big moat around them where it's very hard for competitors to enter the business. Waste Management is going to present the quarterly results on the 2nd of February. Don't expect a lot of firework there, but when the results are in line with the expectations, I think investors will be satisfied. Waste Management is a really decent stock which pay dividends, and that's one of the things people like about Waste Management. I'm really looking forward to the quarterly result to see what happens with the stock price. Right now I'm between a holding and a buying position. I think it's a decent buy if you like to play it steady. But I also think there are better deals in the market right now. One of my recent added positions is Visa. I think this is a great company with a lot of potential. They recently presented some solid results and because of these results the stock price went up. You could argue if the stock is overvalued based on the PE ratio and the free cash flow growth. But besides the valuation, the company does a great job. They have an ROIC of 17%. Both revenue and profit are growing every year big time. They buy back shares, have a low debt, and free cash flow is also growing. The only downside is the valuation. I'm not the only one who likes Visa stock, I think. Because of that, I'm not that worried about the valuation right now. If Visa keeps growing like this, I think the premium price you pay right now will be justified in the future. I'm glad I had a decent entry point where the valuation was better. For now, I'm holding Visa and I will buy more shares when the stock comes down by fear in the market and not by fundamental changes. When it recently dipped to $190 a share, I bought some shares because I knew it will bounce back up. Can't wait for the next drop where I can increase my position again. I think whenever it drops around $180 or maybe $190 a share, I will buy more shares of Visa. So keep that on your watch list. The last company I want to talk about is TakeTwo Interactive. Recently they bought Zynga Games for a premium price which will definitely help them being the mobile gaming market leader. I think TakeTwo will help Zynga business to become more profitable and also will develop more mobile gaming titles in the future. So in my opinion, it was a great move to buy Zynga. You could argue for the price they bought them. But it's going to be very interesting what will happen on the 7th of February when they announce the quarterly results. This will not include Zynga, of course. There's a lot going on in the gaming sector right now with the recent takeovers, disappointing gaming titles like EA's Battlefield 2042, delayed games and so on. Take-Two could benefit from the fact that other gaming companies are having a hard time, but to benefit from the situation, they have to present good quarterly results and also have a decent outlook. Last time they announced that some major gaming titles will be delayed. When they are going to announce some delayed games again, I think the stock will fall down big time. So either way, there will happen something big. Or the stock goes down big time, or it goes up big time. Because of the current valuation of the company, I'm not sure if I will buy right now based on the current fundamentals. I think we will have to wait for the quarterly results to see if Take-Two could really benefit from the situation. Right now, I think Take-Two is a hold and hopefully next week it will become a buy based on the quarterly earnings and outlook. I think when they are going to deliver some great games and big revenue income stream, this stock is waiting to go up even with the current valuation. When the company again announces some delaying titles, I hope this stock goes down big time so I can buy more shares at lower prices. Eventually, those gaming titles will be delivered, and when they do, the stock will go up big time. I think that there are interesting things happening right now in the market. We had a bad time in January, but it seems to recover right now also because of some decent quarterly results. A market crash or correction is always a good moment to check if there are interesting buying opportunities. These 2 weeks is really important for the stocks mentioned earlier in the video. I'm really looking forward to the quarterly results and maybe I will add more shares after these results. But remember to always do your own research and never fully trust on what I or other YouTubers say about a stock. I'm not a financial advisor and this content is just for entertaining purposes only. I hope you liked this video and I did bring some insights of the companies to you. I would really appreciate a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to get notified when I'm posting a new video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.